Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 351 different strategies with 112 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 249 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,029 indicators, with 430 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, I found a hidden strategy, the must-see free buy sell signal indicator ever. Again, weird grammar on that one. The must-see free buy sell signal indicator ever. Yeah, it seems like there should be more to that claim there. And again, with the hidden strategy, hidden gem type thing that's been going on lately, it's probably just YouTube feeding me kind of titles with the same kind of claims in them, but still a little bit strange. And so I'll stop rambling on now. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and test this indicator, or I guess test the strategy, and see if it is actually profitable. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the VIX reversal scalper indicator. Not scalpel, VIX reversal scalpel indicator. For some reason, that's a little bit hard to say when you say it rather quickly. It'll be this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen and jump into the settings. And what you're going to do is the type of MA to use right here, change that to SMA. And then the moving average length, change that to 45 and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Chan Momentum Oscillator, this one right here. And then this one is a built-in TradingView indicator, and so it actually isn't published by anyone. It's just one of the default or supplied TradingView indicators. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one, and under the length, you're going to change that to 3, and then you can keep the time frame on the chart and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when we get a bull green tag like this here. When we get a bull green tag like this here, we're then going to look down to the momentum oscillator, and we want the oscillator to be above the 0 line, this dashed 0 line right here. You can see that it's well above there. And if you have any question as to where it is exactly, you can hover over this candle right here. You can look at the numbers right above my mouse right here, and you can see if you hover over that, it will give you a number, and that'll tell you whether or not you're in the negative, like this here, see negative 49.13, or in the positive 83.78, and so it is above that 0 line. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a long trade right there. We'll put our stop just right above or right below this swing here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit pretty easily. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is a red bear tag like this right here. And once we get that red bear tag, we are then going to look down to the momentum oscillator, and we want it to be below that 0 line. And so in this case, it'll be in the negative. And so again, if you look at the numbers right here above my mouse, I hover over this bar, you can see it is negative 100. And that will be the signal to then enter into a short. And we'll put our trade right here, put our stop just right above this pivot here. And we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we just kind of run into consolidation for a little while there, just moving sideways. Then we make this really nice push to the downside, boom, getting us to take profit really easily. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades, putting it at a 15% win rate. If you're looking to gain the $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, your total gain would have been $9,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,000 for an overall loss of $5,000 altogether. So definitely not a hidden strategy, and not a great buy-sell signal indicator. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 21 trades altogether. We had 17 winning trades and 4 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $4,800 for an overall gain of $5,400. So definitely better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we've developed a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades on screen now. Really good results from it. If you are interested in viewing a video on that, you can click the link up in the corner now, and it'll take you to that video. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.